how many subsets of the standard Latin alphabet contain all 5 of the vowels? So, in case you're not familiar with, the Latin alphabet is the A, B, C, D, all the way up to Z that we've been working with and reading all of our questions with. Okay? So, from A to Z, and all 5 of the vowels, which vowels are we talking about? A, E, I, O, and U. Some people will say, what about Y? Y is technically not a vowel. It is something called a semi-consonant. And I looked it up before I made the question, just so that I'm completely accurate. So A, E, I, O, and U are our vowels. Okay. So how are we going to make a subset? Well, remember that when we make a subset, if we're trying to make a subset, we're going really to each element and saying, are you in or are you out? Are you in or are you out? Okay. So for each element, we've got 2 choices, in, out. We could visualize this with a tree diagram, but a 26-letter set means a 26-layer tree, so we can try and imagine it. Okay. But each letter is in or out, except these 5. A, E, I, O, and U have to be in our set, because those are the ones we're describing. We want subsets containing all 5 vowels. So that leaves us with 21 letters, and they can be in or out. They can be in our subset as we make it, or they don't have to be. Okay? Only the 5 vowels have to be in there. So for each of those, we have a choice. Okay? Is B in or is B out? And then from there, is C in or is C out? D in or is D out? Okay? So really what we're doing is we've got the A, E, I, O, and U, and then we've got our set of consonants left over, and we're just trying to pick subsets of that to add into the subset we're making. Okay? But ultimately what it is if we've got 2 choices, we've got 2 to the power of 21, and that's going to be the number of subsets that have all the vowels, and maybe it has some other letters. They don't have to. One of these 2 to the power of 21 is just A, E, I, O, and U all by itself. Another one of them would be the whole alphabet. Okay, but using the same reasoning that gives us our subset formula, we're able to realize the answer is 2 to the 21.